How to change the magnetic door switch for Elite Pro Tumbler Heat Press Machine. Once your Elite Tumbler Press Machine has counting down problem while using, this video may help you solve the problem. It shows how to replace the magnetic door switch. You have to prepare pincer pliers, scissors, Allen key, screwdriver, 2 cable ties. Firstly, detach the heater. Turn the machine on its side. Fix the screw with pincer pliers, and then unscrew the bottom screw and base. Remove the reed part. Unscrew both side screws of the machine. Detach the housing. Pull out 2 cables. Cut off the tie. Pull out the reed part. Change the new reed part. Install the reed part back according to the original position. Insert 2 cables and put on the silicone covers. Secure the cable with cable ties. Install the housing and fasten with screws. Fasten the base with screw. Fasten the reed part with pincer pliers. Adjust the distance between the magnet block and the reed part. Secure the cable to the machine with a cable tie. Put the heater back. Pull away the pusher. Turn on the machine. Check if the countdown is possible. Magnetic door switch replacement complete.